So, questions.
Number 1. Would you prefer to go by car or plane?
I would prefer to go by car in most cases, but when we speak about long distances, I prefer to go by plane.
Number 2. Who picks you up to take you to the airport?
In most cases, nobody picks me up to take me to the airport. I just have a taxi.
Where can you leave your car at when you go to the airport?
When you drive to the airport, it's possible to leave your car at the parking lot.
Number 3. Why would you pull off the road?
I would pull off the road when I get a flat tire.
Number 4. How many times do you fill up your tank in a week?
I think I fill up the tank once a week.
Number 5. Who comes to your rescue when you run out of gas?
I've never been in such a situation, but I think my friends can come to me and rescue when I run out of gas.
Number 6. What do you need to do when you get a flat tire?
When I get a flat tire, I need to fix it. I need to find someone to fix it.
Number 7. Who pays for the damage in a car accident?
Usually the one who is in charge of it. Maybe sometimes it can be their company where you buy car insurance, so they often pay for the damage.
Number 8. Why should you plan a route before a road trip?
It's just necessary to plan a route before road trip, not to get lost.
Number 9. Where can you pull over at when you're on a road trip?
When we can pull over at a motel or at a cafe when on a road trip.
Number 10. What can you use to tell you to turn left or right?
I can use GPS navigator to tell me turn left or right.
Number 11. What can you use to tell you to go straight?
I can use GPS navigator to tell me to go straight.
Number 12. Why is it important to book a hotel in advance?
It's necessary and important to book a hotel in advance because some of the hotels can be overbooked.
Number 13. How much do you tip a waiter?
Usually I tip waiter 10% of the bill.
Number 14. During what times of the year are hotels fully booked?
I think the hotels are fully booked during the holidays.
Number 15. Do you think you save money when breakfast is included in your stay?
I don't think that we save money when breakfasts are included, but it's much more, it's easier and much more comfortable for me when I know that the breakfast is included.
Number 16. Who do you ask for an extra blanket when you're staying in a hotel?
When I stay in the hotel, I asked at extra blanket at the reception.
Number 17. Do you pay the bill before or after your stay?
I think we pay the bill before staying.
Number 18. How do you let your waiter know you are ready to order? Number 19.
I always wave the waiter to know him that I'm ready to order.
What is today's special?
I don't know what is today's special. Maybe something delicious.
Number 20. Would you prefer to order food to go or to sit in the restaurant?
I would prefer to order food to go when I run out of time, but of course it's much more comfortable to sit in a restaurant.
Number 21. Who serves you food?
The waiter serves us food.
Number 22. What is one reason why people get into car accidents?
There are lots of reasons why people can get into car accidents, and one of them, they are drunk, they are not attentive. Some people just have they have a heat stroke and they get into a car accident. Lots of reasons, really.
Number 23. How do you prevent getting lost?
We should plan our route in advance to prevent getting lost and use GPS navigator.
Number 24. How do you prevent getting robbed?
I think we can prevent getting robbed being much more attentive.
Number 25. What do you do when you feel nauseous?
When I feel nauseous, I suck sweets sometimes. Sometimes it helps.
Number 26. When do you throw up?
I throw up when I eat old food or when I'm sick,
Number 27.
And poisonous.
Why would someone faint?
Someone could faint when it is too hot, or pregnant women can faint.
Number 28. Why would you feel pain in your stomach after you eat?
I can feel pain in my stomach if I eat unhealthy or not fresh food.
Number 29. What is your favorite place to check out when you go into the city?
When I go into the city, my favorite place to check out is the center of the city, near the park.
Number 30. Where do you like to stop by after work?
It's difficult to say. I can say that I like it, but I have to stop by the supermarket after work.
Number 31. What is the usual check-in time at a hotel?
Usual check-in time at the hotel at 12 o'clock.
What is the usual check-out time at a hotel?
I'm sorry, check-in time is at 2 o'clock and check-out time is 12 o'clock.
Number 32. When was a time there was something wrong with the heater in your hotel room?
I think last time something was wrong with the heating in the hotel when we went to Finland in November. It was very cold, though it was a 4-star hotel. We just asked extra blanket at the reception.
Number 1.
That's all.